Hey, welcome back to Korean Cowboy Cooking. This is Soulful Bowl, and we bought some flatfish. As you can see, it's quite flat. They don't have volume, right? But they are packed with nice flesh. And we're gonna be cooking some pan-fried flatfish today with side of tartar sauce. What we're gonna do is to dust the fish with flour, and we're gonna season the flour with some oregano and smoked paprika, pepper and salt. So that way it's gonna have more flavor, and it should be very simple and easy and tasty. Let's get started with the flours first. So we have the tray. We're gonna pour some flour, and that should be enough, just enough to coat the fish. And next is our oregano and smoked paprika as well, about half tablespoon. And next is our shiso leaves, fresh shiso leaves. Okay, we're gonna dust our fish with this flour mixture. Okay, oil into the hot pan. Generous amount of oil. In with our fish. Skin side first. To press down the fish so they're not gonna warp or curve. About 10 seconds. So we're gonna make tartar sauce next. It's quite simple. Some diced onions, gherkins or pickles, lemons, and sugar. Of course, not all of this, but maybe a teaspoon of this. Alright, let's get started with our tartar sauce. And of course, I forgot some mayonnaise as well. One important thing here is to let this tartar sauce sit for at least 30 minutes so the flavors can mingle to each other. Alright, taste test. Let's see how it's gonna taste. The skin is crispy and it's very well seasoned, and you can taste the paprika and oregano and all the seasonings in here. And plus to that, we have tartar sauce, right? That adds very nice, acidity and balance to the fish. Yeah, so I hope you guys try this with any fish you can get. Of course, it has to be fresh, and you saw how we made it, right? It's really simple. So just give it a try, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and one more thing, if you liked the video, then please click on like and comment below. Plus, subscribe to our channel for more cooking videos.